Born in a glowing forest where magic lived in every leaf, a little fairy named Lena longed to fly like the others, but destiny had a different kind of magic in store for her. In the middle of a glowing forest stood the Luma tree, a magical home to the fairies. They could fly, sparkle, and spread fairy dust, thanks to the Luma stone, a glowing gem in the tree's heart. But one little fairy named Lena was different. She couldn't fly, no matter how hard she tried. Her wings were small and no magic helped. The other fairies flew through the air, but Lena stayed on the ground. Still, she was kind and full of joy. She made friends with bunnies, squirrels, turtles, and even an old owl. Every evening, she helped the baby animals sleep with gentle stories. One night, a butterfly asked Lena to sing her baby to sleep. Lena hesitated, then softly sang. To her surprise, her voice was sweet and calming. The baby fell asleep, and so did the forest animals. She had found her gift, the magic of lullabies. But then, a sneaky imp stole the Luma stone. The tree dimmed, and fairies couldn't fly. Lena said, "I'll find it. I know the forest best." She followed clues, listened to the imp's silly songs, and finally found the stone. While he slept, Lena sang softly, then took the gem and returned it to the tree. Light returned. Magic returned. The fairy queen smiled. "You may not fly, Lena, but your voice carries the truest magic." And from that night on,